Be ready. Start. We are of the opinion that considering the opinion given by medical board and the state of health of the petitioner's husband, the application for premature retirement on medical grounds should have been allowed. Stop. If the respondents had not acted in an arbitrary and cavalier fashion, the petitioner's husband would also have been entitled to the ex gratia as per the circular on 17/11/2003. Stop. For the reasons stated aforesaid, we quash the impugned order dated 30th July 2004 by which the petitioner's husband application for premature retirement was rejected, as well as the order dated 23rd March 2005 by which the petitioner's representation was also rejected. Stop. We issue a writ of mandamus commanding the respondents to treat the petitioner's husband as retired prematurely with effect from 30th July 2004, that is, date when the petitioner's husband application was rejected by the respondents, and direct the respondent company to grant the benefits which are payable under the circular of 17/11/2003 stanza. As the House is perhaps aware, we are sending a steel mission to Europe and other countries to try whether we can secure rails, sleepers and other steel materials in larger quantities. Stop. We are also trying to use more and more wooden sleepers in place of steel sleepers. Stop. But there is shortage of wooden sleepers also. Stop. Then we are thinking of using concrete sleepers in some of our yards. Stop. So we are always trying to replace the materials that are in short supply by the materials which may be in somewhat easier position. Stop. But what I want to emphasize is this, that taking into account all the developments in the country, we are quite conscious of the fact that even this increased capacity for transportation of goods traffic will not be sufficient to meet the requirements of the country. Stop. Of course, we are concentrating on the important basic materials like coal, iron and steel, cement and food grains, but I am afraid that we will not be in a position to create capacity which will be sufficient for the general merchandise. Stop. That was ignored even in the 8th plan. Stop. Though we are trying to increase it to some extent, that will not be enough. Stop. So it comes to this, that the railway minister will approach the planning commission again, argue with them and try to impress upon them the necessity of creating additional capacity for the railways, and if we are fortunate to secure some additional allotment from them, we will try our best with our advisors and officers to create additional capacity with the resources available. Stanza. In this connection, it will not be out of place to make a mention about the various demands that have been made in this House for opening new railway lines in various parts of the country. Stop. Sir, I have got briefs about each one of these demands, but I will not take the time of the House in giving reasons why one of them may be taken up during the course of the 10th 5-year plan and why the other may not be taken up. Stop. I will only say that demands have been made practically from every state, Andhra, Karnataka, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Kerala, Assam, and I do appreciate that there is necessity of new railway lines practically in every state. Stop. There are areas which are far away from the existing railway lines, and if we open up that area, even if nothing is done in that area, if only a railway line is provided, that itself adds to the progress of that area. Stop. But we are not in a position to do that.